Hello America, this video is to show you how to vacuum your pool without using your filter or any of these old hoses. You get rid of all those. You got any of these, it's all junk. You got this, probably paid about $25, $35 for this pole. It's all taped up. Got this vacuum to get all this stuff here. If you can pan down to see everything that's in the pool. You know, you come home, you know, your pool is filled up with the debris after a storm. So you can just get rid of this. You don't need that anymore. This will take you hours to clean all this. And then when you have one of these things right here, you know, how do you go ahead and get debris in that? Just a bunch of junk. So you can throw that away. We're introducing the Walkabout Pool Skimmer. The amazing Walkabout Pool Skimmer. You can get it at walkaboutpoolskimmer.com. You can start moving towards the middle. Start to move towards the middle now. Wait for all this stuff to come around. Look at all that. We're halfway home. Like I said, once you get used to it, you can move it around any way. Get the stuff on the bottom there. Still rolling around. We're going to go on the bottom real soon. Switch the camera to the GoPro and show you how we get the stuff in the middle and on the bottom. As you see, I'm huffing and puffing. I'm a little overweight, but you can get a good workout. See how clear it's getting? Now, if you have an above ground pool and you have a drain, that's fine. You know, you keep the whirlpool going. A little bit will get in there. But like with most people, they don't have a drain on the bottom. So I'm going to show you how to get all that in a second. Might take some time, but I guarantee you, your pool will look a lot better. Less stress on your motor. Less stress on your filter. And you get a little exercise at the same time. Now you can get this at walkaboutpoolskimmer.com. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of all this debris with this right here. You got these little helicopter things that go. You got leaves, branches. You had a storm. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of all this stuff. I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. You have the brushes that are really fine. You have patented channels in here so it can float. There's no resistance when you go in the water. You can move it around, you can twist it around. I'm going to show you all that. And then I'm going to plant that camera right here so you can actually see what it does to get all the debris in the bottom. So let's go. Let's start out. And so you start scraping the sides. You get going. Putting all that debris.
There we go.
Check it out, folks. The Walkabout Pool Skimmer. Can't beat it. Look at the pool. I challenge any pool skimmer, any developer, any inventor to be able to do what you can do right here with the Walkabout Pool Skimmer. Go to walkaboutpoolskimmer.com, Facebook, Walkabout Pool Skimmer Facebook. And only $49.95, folks. Check it out. Have a good summer. See you in the fall when I show you how to keep the pool open a couple more weeks, because this can pick up all the bugs and all the leaves. Have a good summer. God bless.